Good evening. I am Anil Agarwal, former Chief Manager, Punjab National Bank. Now, one subscriber is writing again and again, can a art graduate become bank officer or bank clerk? Do you know anyone who is from arts background and able to crack the examination? I try to satisfy the concerned person that yes, there are many, but there is an insistence कि sir, please make a video on this and explain the concept. Now, what happens? What is the qualification to become bank officer or bank clerk? Qualification is graduate. That means any graduate can appear in competition, may it from art stream, may from science, may from commerce, maybe engineer, maybe B Pharma, maybe BDS, maybe MBBS. Everyone can appear in this competition. So what matters? Not the academic qualification. The matters is how you prepare for competition. The competition comprises of certain papers and you have to learn those topics. You have to learn the concepts of that. There is a job requirement. So the examiner try to test your talent and traits that is required for a job. So in most banking examination, 4 aspects are checked. One is called relating to communication. And as India is spread over various states, the languages are different. So you need a common language that is called English. And that's why your communication skill in English is tested. Now in regional rural banks, they have introduced the regional language also. But for the banks, those are having all India structure, like nationalized banks or public sector banks, English knowledge is essential. And that's why if you are weak in English, you are weak in competition. Second aspect is your numerical ability, your capability to calculate, your capabilities to handle the numerical transactions. For that, they have a paper named as numerical ability and quantitative aptitude. Then how good a person is in thinking process. What is his IQ level? How he will react to different situations. For that, the reasoning capabilities are tested, and the third paper is reasoning. The fourth paper is to test your knowledge in the field for which this exam is being conducted. So if you are going for banking field, they will try to test your knowledge towards banking, finance, towards economics, along with general awareness. If you are going for an insurance exam, they will try to test your knowledge in insurance as well as general awareness. So that is how these papers are drafted. In some cases, we have descriptive paper also. That is again to check your communication skill. Then in certain levels, they require interview and group discussion to test your personality. So everything is well defined. So it has nothing to do with academic qualification. There are simple graduate means from outside, but they are well knowledgeable in all fields. They are able to crack the examination. So what is essential tools that you require? And that's why I always say there are 3 basic tools that you require to crack this examination. One is mock test. Because mock test helps you to identify your weak areas. And then you can focus your study on those areas. You save a lot of time and energy and you gain knowledge in a rapid fashion. I have recommended very good mock test to you. You must take that mock test. Even if you are having any mock test with you, some people ask specifically, they give me name that I am having this one. Still I should take. Yes, you should take. If I am recommending, it means something. And the people, those are intelligent. Those are reading between the lines. They are obeying my instructions. And they are the one who are in the forefront of success. Certain people, they come here, listen and forget. It is their choice. I can't help them. But if you take the advice seriously, you follow the steps that is given in this channel, you are bound to be ahead of others. Second is good source of current affairs. I have suggested you a good source. Subscribe the PDFs, you will be at forefront. Third is good knowledge of banking, finance and economics. For that I have created 194 videos for you. And all these videos are free of cost. Many channels may be charging for every video. But here these videos are available free of cost. Normal cost may be 5,000 or more, but nothing is to be paid if you are watching on my channel. So develop a habit of watching at least 10 videos a day. You will be ahead of others. So God bless you. अब यही बातें हम हिंदी में करेंगे. अब एक चैनल सब्सक्राइबर है, वो बार बार एक प्रश्न कर रहे हैं, सर कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड का कोई व्यक्ति है जिसने बैंक का एग्जाम पास कर लियो, आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड का? क्या आप किसी को जानते हो? क्या आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड का कोई व्यक्ति इस एग्जाम को पास कर सकता है? तो बार बार एक ही